Not attending the governor's address.
Well, I think it is not correct. You might have differences of opinion with the governor in maybe whatever personal points or the tweets that he may have done. But I think this is about the chair, and this is about a ceremonial process that takes place every year, and it is literally an insult to the chair of the governor. And I think it's not appropriate and not good. It should not have been done. And it's very unfortunate that the opposition has acted in this way. You could be disagreeing with a certain individual on his individual comments, but here it's not about Mr. Tathagata Roy, but it's about the governor of Meghalaya. And I think it was not correct for the opposition to do that. But the decision is theirs, and they've done that. But proper. I think the tweet that went was from Tathagata Roy Twitter account. It was not from the governor's official Twitter handle. So I think I'm not commenting about what he said as an individual or not. But as I said, and neither am I here to argue about whether it's correct or not correct. But as I said that doing being absent or boycotting a ceremonial process which has never been done, I think this is the first time it's been done. Was not appropriate, but as I said, the decision is theirs. I have nothing to say in it.
What do you have to say about the tweet by itself?
Again, it's an individual's comment, so really I don't want to comment on what he had said. It's just commented at his personal level, so I really don't have any comments on it.
Because he cannot be separated from the post.
I agree with you. He cannot be separated from the post, but as I said, it's a comment that he made, and as I said, I don't want to make any comments on what he said.
But individually, what